Editing is hard. Most writers will tell you that. But editing is also essential. Some writers try to skip this step, thinking that they've nailed it in their first draft. But the truth is, even the best stories need to be reworked and refined for them to be perfect. So in this video, I'm going to share some simple editing tips. Let's see what they are. Firstly, after you finish your draft, take a break. Seriously, don't look at it for a week or two. It's amazing what fresh eyes can do. You will come back with a clearer head and a more honest perspective. And while you're editing, read your work out loud. You'll be able to hear the awkward phrasing and the repetitive words in a way that silent reading won't reveal. Before you start correcting details like typos and grammar, zoom out. Start with structure. First, ask yourself if your argument or storyline is clear. Are the chapters flowing logically, or are there sections that feel confusing? No matter what type of book you're writing, these are important questions to ask. And don't be afraid to delete stuff. Every paragraph should serve a purpose. If something feels over-explained or repetitive, delete it. Less is more, especially if you want to keep your reader engaged. Check for consistent use of formatting, spellings, and style. For instance, if you've capitalized a proper noun in one place, ensure that it stays consistent everywhere. AI tools like ChatGPT can be very useful for editing. But here's the key. The prompts have to be specific. The clearer your instruction, the better results you're likely to get. For example, instead of just simply pasting your chapter and saying, "Can you check this for errors?" you can type in a more specific prompt like, "Can you help me edit this chapter for grammar, clarity, and tone?" Highlight any sentences that feel repetitive or confusing, suggest more concise alternatives, and flag any inconsistencies in voice or style. Then you can paste in your chapter and see what you get. You don't have to take every change into consideration, but it might help you rethink how something sounds or catch things you might have missed. Self-editing is a great starting point, but to take your book to the next level, a professional editor is a must. They will help catch things that you might have missed and even take your book to the next level. At Notion Press, we have professional editors that work with both fiction and non-fiction authors. Whether you need developmental editing as you're writing your manuscript or you need a final proofread of your manuscript, our editors are here to support you during your publishing journey. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!